Welcome to Tech to Learn. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. Our topic: biological problem, hypothesis, deduction, and experiment. In biological, new things are being discovered and long-held theories are being modified or replaced with better ones as more data knowledge is accumulated. This happened when biologists recognize some biological problems and go for its solution. In solving a biological problem, biologists takes following step: recognition of biological problem, observation, hypothesis formulation, detection, experimental summarization of result, reporting the result. The details of these steps are as under: recognition of the biological problem. Biologists goes for adopting biological method when they encounter some biological problem. A biological problem is a question related to living organism that is either asked by someone or comes in biologist's mind by himself. Number 2, observation. As the first step in solving biological problem, biologists recall his her previous observation or makes new one. Observation are made with 5 senses of vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Observation may be both qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative observations are considered more accurate than qualitative ones because the formulas are invariable and measurable and can be recorded in terms of number. Example of qualitative and quantitative observation are given below. Qualitative observation: the freezing point of water is colder than the boiling point. A liter of water is heavier than a liter of ethanol. Quantitation of observation: the freezing point of water is 0 centigrade and the boiling point is 100 centigrade. A liter of water weighs 1000 grams and a liter of ethanol weighs 789 grams. Observation also include reading and studying what others have done in the past because scientific knowledge is ever growing. Number 3, formulation of hypothesis. Observation do not become scientific observation until they are organized and related to a question. Biologists organize his, her, and other observation into data form and constructs a statement that may be proved to be the answer of the biological problem under study. This tentative explanation of observation is called a hypothesis. It may be defined as a proposition that might be true. A hypothesis should have the following characteristic: it should be a general statement, it should be a tentative idea, it should agree with available observation, it should be kept as simple as possible, it should be testable and potentially flexible. In other words, there should be a way to show the hypothesis is false, a way to disprove the hypothesis. A great deal of careful and creative thinking is necessary for the formulation of a hypothesis. Biologists are using reasoning to formulate a hypothesis. Deduction. In the next step, biologists draws a deduction from hypothesis. Deduction are the logical consequences of hypothesis. For the purpose a hypothesis is taken as true and expected results, deductions are drawn from it. Generally, in biological method, if a particular hypothesis is true, then one should expect deduction. A certain result. This involves the use of if-then logic. Number 5, experimentation. The most basic step of biological method is experimentation. Biological perform experiment to see if hypotheses are true or not. The deductions which are drawn from hypotheses are subjected to rigorous testing. Through experimentations, biologists learn which program hypothesis is correct, the incorrect hypotheses are rejected, and the one which proves correct is accepted. An accepted hypothesis make further predictions that provide an important way to further test its validity. Number 6. Summarizations of result. Biologist gathers actual quantitative data from experiments. Data for each of the group are then averaged and compared statistically. To draw a conclusion, biologist also uses statistical analytics. 7. Reporting the result. Biologists publish their findings in scientific journals and books. In talk at national and international meetings and in seminars at college and university. The publishing of result is an essential part of scientific method. It allows other people to verify the result or apply the knowledge to solve other problems. So here our topic will be end. Hope you will understand and like this topic. So if you are new on my channel Tech to Learn, so please press the red button, subscribe and press the bell notification to get all the latest videos of my channel. Thank you.